Today we're going to be trying a new product on our Dodge Dakota project truck, and the product is WipeNew. You guys might have heard of it. It's actually been touted as a very good product for restoring black trim on cars, and it's supposed to last up to, actually it has a 2-year guarantee on there, and it's supposed to withstand car washes, etc., and really produce a beautiful finish. And the reason I want to try that is because I'm tired of using products that fade after 2 weeks of use. This bumper was done in back to black. It looked nice the first few days. This is about a week later and it's dull again. It's kind of splotchy. I did clean it thoroughly before. I used Ajax, rinsed it down, then I used dishwashing detergent, rinsed that down, let it dry thoroughly, and I used back to black. It's a lot better than it was, but definitely not up to my standards. So I'm going to take this bumper cover off. We're going to put it in a place that has some shade, and then we're going to apply the WipeNew after we clean the bumper cover thoroughly. Let's get to it. So I'm just going to take some household Ajax, put it on there and scrub it down. Scrubby brush, close it off, maybe go over it one more time with a little bit of liquid detergent, get all the grease and anything else off of it that the Ajax doesn't get. Let it dry, and then we're going to apply WipeNew on it. Now let's see what we get in this package of WipeNew. Here's the actual product, 1.5 fluid ounces. It's not very much, but as it says here, the kit includes 1 bottle of WipeNew. A little goes a long way. A pair of nitride gloves. It says just prior to use, shake it up. And it says soak carefully, soak the rag. I just went over that a second time after, actually right up here, after it was dry a little bit. It came out pretty good. It doesn't look bad at all. So we're going to put that back on the bumper, see how it looks in the morning. So this is what the rear bumper looks like from the Dodge Dakota. Front and rear bumpers pretty much look the same. Completely faded, grody, grungy. And let's take a look at what the front bumper looks like after we cleaned it and treated it with new white. Not too bad for a 12-year-old bumper that's had a couple of fender benders already.